Want some filming? Hi. Well, this. Welcome back to the channel. I am at Paul Pavlou's. As you can see, we are going roll racing tomorrow night, and I've got the Monaro and the dyno in there. It made 540, but it was breaking up, so we're checking plugs and a few other bits and pieces. Sean's here. He's doing the plugs. Everything's piping hot, so it's been a bit of a mission, as you'll be able to see. I take that pipe off, and yeah, getting into it. So, but checked all the plugs; they're all sweet, and gonna put a new set in it anyway, and then see how we go from there. All right, it is Saturday, and we are here, and the boys have pulled the rock covers off and going over the valve springs. We had three broken valve springs, so that was where it was dropping off on the dyno. We'll show the graph in a bit, but it was sort of climbing, and then it just sort of fall off. And Steve said it's the valve springs, and he was 99% sure, and he was 100% right. So that's these here. These three here, and got new ones going in. Steve, you were right, weren't you, mate?
We were right.
We were right. Michael wasn't sure. Sean wasn't sure. He was 99% sure, 100% right, weren't you, mate? Like always, he reckons. But no, we're getting that sorted, and hopefully do a couple pulls and make a bit more power, and we'll be right. Put it on the trailer. I was going to drive it up, but I think I'm just going to put it on the trailer and go from there, because who knows with this thing, really. But anyway, so we're on the dyno. Alright, so we made it, and we're just out the back here. I'm in Steve's shed with the McLaren, who's won the last two. So he's been helping us. He's been nice enough to let us in his shed, so that's good. And car's all good, made 575, I think, kilowatts of the tyres. Had some triggering issues up top, and but no, it's still strong, and like I said, we broke three valve springs. But other than that, it's pretty good. It's not going to have much for what's out here tonight, but we're going to have some fun anyway. So until we're in the car, let's go. Here's the mongrels here. Alright, here we go. Racing a Dodge Demon. Yeah. Thank you, mate. I went and then stopped and then went.
If you'd stayed on it,
yeah, would have been with him. You film this?
yeah, man.
So just first, mate? Alright. I'm gonna have to left brake this bitch, eh?
You don't look like you're swimming in room there.
No, I'm not, especially with the helmet on.
Yeah.
Oh, we'll see how we go, mate. Alright, so I'm squeezed into Steve's McLaren. He's gone, just take Ben for a drive, just take him for a drive. This is ridiculous, this car. So he's the traction control's on. He says he races the traction control on, and got to change it manually. As you can see here with all my paddles and all that sort of stuff. So there and there. But yeah, I'm a bit nervous. This is a very, very expensive car. And I'm kind of crouched down here because my head's hitting the roof.
He's got any idea what's behind him.
Well, it's pretty fast, this thing, I think. I saw him go across the line there. Move it.
Yep.
Wait, what?
Oh.
What you doing, bro? Jesus Christ! I was just hitting on the rev limiter. I thought. All right, so we're out of the McLaren, and we got my pit crew in. Mick's driving on the trailer. I've done an alternator, so that's my night done. But shit, I don't care because I got to drive that fucking McLaren, and that was unbelievable. So you can't hear this because this bloke, but anyway, I'm gonna load this up. We're gonna head back.